Hey guys, what's up? My name is Colton Kalugo, and today we're going to be making the most dangerous fidget spinner ever. So let's do it. Okay guys, so I have this X-Acto knife kit here, and I think we're just going to tape the blades onto the fidget spinner. So let's do it. Knock that one off. I'm just going to speed this up. Oh god. Oh god. Okay guys, so we got the fidget spinner ready, got the blades on it. Looks pretty deadly. Hopefully it is. Also got this air compressor. Should get it up to speed. It's not a big air compressor, but yeah, let's just get right into it. And there it is. The blades look pretty deadly. Ow. Oh my god.
Crap.
Get me through your towel trade.
Okay. Oh, nice. It's okay. It's just me. It's okay. No. Let's go outside. Come on, baby.
Shane, you need to call mom. You need to call mom right now.
Yeah, Mom. Colin cut his hand with the sharp fidget spinner. Okay.
Shane, you need to go get me Okay guys, just let me get a band-aid quickly and then I'll
Hey! Here you go. No.
What did mom say?
She just said to get some alcohol in it. Okay, here. You good?
Probably not. The band-aid's not doing anything. Okay guys, so maybe don't try this at home, because I need another piece of paper towel. Don't try this at home. This is a terrible idea. So, yeah. Don't try this. Just don't. Well, I guess I'm just gonna do the outro really quick because I need to get some more paper towel. If you guys like this video, be sure to like it, comment, subscribe, and I will be sure to update you guys on how my hand's doing in a bit. So, yeah, see ya. Is Mom coming home?
I think so.